I do really wish I could capture better just how bad this is. It is blustery out today. I don't even have to worry about the cats trying to escape from the door because they're not going out today.
Well, I have to say, it's quite the weather and it's not exactly very warm outside.
But it's always cold at Christmas.
Ah, Christmas. Time for Santa Claus and his 8 prancing rain sheep.
That's reindeer.
No, that's snow, darling. A little serious, it's really cold out.
Wow, look at that. Just wild. Our little tree line needs to be a little bit bigger. Looking this way, you can see just how much this conifer evergreen tree line saves our yard in winds like this. Quick check-in on everybody on this blustery day. Even though they have the building, they still choose to be out in this. Silly sheep. Just listen to it. And we're pretty protected here. What do you think, Sasha? Yeah, it's bad. I'll tell you, when this gusts, boy does it gust. I'm almost tempted to go for a walk to the back. Pre-Christmas weather report from Hickorycroft Farm, and it is cold. It is so cold. I mean, we were +4 this morning, and it has to be -10 to -15 with this wind chill tonight. But as you can see, as it's blowing across behind, this is a wild storm right before Christmas. So everybody, stay safe. Only travel if you must, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Woo!